Can a chiropractic adjustment go wrong or cause an injury? The answer is yes, it can. Just like any form of healthcare, there's a risk associated with a chiropractic treatment. However, the risks are statistically extremely low. It's not to discredit anyone that's ever been injured by an adjustment, but it is extremely rare for these things to happen. That's why it's extremely important that you find a chiropractor that's using good diagnostics to ensure, one, the proper areas to give an adjustment and make sure it's safe for you to receive that adjustment. But in general, chiropractic adjustments are extremely beneficial and help not just with pain, but also longevity.